So I've been at ProtoCAM 22 years now, and I started here actually right out of college. I studied plastics engineering in college. I came and checked it out and been here ever since. Well, just because of the nature of what we do, it's a lot of fun. You know, we're always doing something different, something unique. It's never a dull moment. Fast-paced, and something that just really had gained a lot of my interest because of the new cutting-edge technology. I had never even heard of stereolithography or 3D printing at college at all, so it was pretty exciting to me. So now I'm the Vice President of Additive Manufacturing, but when I first started here I was a plastics engineer, and I was actually hired because we were going to do a lot of injection molding and build and design injection mold tooling using additive manufacturing 3D printed components. But we found that after, I don't know, maybe 5 or 6 years of that, it just wasn't cut out to be what it was hyped to be. So we decided to move on from that, and then I just became more or less project management, and then being involved in all sorts of phases of the business. You know, the quoting, administrative, marketing, sales, engineering, and so I've kind of just evolved into where I am today. Yeah, the speaking engagements are fun. It's great to educate people on 3D printing because it's a new technology. It's ever changing. A lot of people don't understand what it's all about, so it's great for me to get out and do that part of it and educate people so that they understand what it is and what it involves and the costs and the timing and how it's being developed as a technology. So it's a lot of fun. I actually really enjoy it. And the company culture here, I think, is a lot of fun. I mean, we get along really well, and it's important to have good culture at the company because the more we get along and the more our culture is good with one another, the more that reflects to our customers. Most of our customers, a lot of them come in here on a daily basis, and I think they get a sense of our culture as well. They're greeted, we always have fun, we kid around with them, and it's something that's important that we do, and we maintain a good culture here because it makes happy employees. Our company is our culture, and coming here and talking to us, getting a person to answer the phone, and being able to have access to an engineer is really important, and I think that that really separates us apart. So whenever in doubt, feel free to call ProtoCAM. We're here.